Today, me and my brother are fishing in the creek. There's been tons of bass in this creek lately, tons of smallmouth. So
I just saw a baby smallmouth swim by.
okay,
Ow!
we're gonna go down there in a little bit. We're gonna walk up under the road bridge. Water's really cold.
The water's freezing.
There might be fish in this little pocket here, and then go up the waterfall. Here, be my cameraman. Be the cameraman. No, yeah,
Wait.
sideways.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I need the reason I'm holding it like this is for a better grip.
You might be fishing this little pocket right here. If you're recording. If you're not recording at all.
I am.
Record it like this.
Like that? You hold my pole. Like this?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Camera switch.
Alright, I'm gonna be fishing this little pocket right now. So just wait, we gotta get on the shore.
Oh, I see them. Can I set your phone down so I can cast too? You already have one? Yeah. Is that a baby smallmouth? No.
Big chub.
You're chubby.
Alright, this is a creek chub.
Ah! Should we get a
Creek chub.
nice creek chubby?
Here he goes.
Okay. I want to cast too, so.
How does that do?
Okay. We're setting you down.
Careful over there. We'll go up in a second. Yo! Hey, another creek chub. Where is all the bass? Is you still recording? Alright.
Since I don't have any good worms like that, I connected the back of one.
Yeah. You still see the fish in here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set up a rock. Here we are. Oh shoot, it's going in the water right here. Here's the backpack.
What's up, guys?
Alright, we got it back on. Alright, my drag up. Get back in here. Oh, you cracked my... Hey, go over it. I'm snagged. Freaking snagged right now. We're gonna walk through. This is deep water. It's pretty deep right here. Oh, and it's all sandy. Oh, yep, I'm going down. I'm going down into the sand. I'm sinking. I'm sinking right now. I'm thinking I can reel this in. Oh, my shorts are in the water now. Oh no. I wasn't really trying to get my pants wet. But I think we're gonna move spots, hop on our bikes, and go. Might fish that little hole again on the waterfall. But Grayson, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go to darts or the hole. We're gonna go to the swimming spot. Okay, let's go then. I don't care. Let's go. All right, we'll be back when we get to our bikes. All right, we didn't have the bikes yet, but we're at this spot again. So we're gonna try this. No, I just walked through there. Hey, you wanna walk down there? You wanna keep walking down to the truck area?
Now?
Yeah.
From us?
What?
So not behind me.
No, we're not. I'm gonna grab the backpack. Yeah, you can be. Just record it. See, I'll hold it like this.
I'm gonna hold it like this.
Make sure you watch the camera.
I have good grip.
We're gonna be going down there a little bit, and then we'll come back to our bikes and go to this spot where we swim. But we haven't swum there in a while, so there's probably some fish.
I don't think anybody swam there in a while.
Yeah.
There's his helmet on shore.
Well, that's our bike.
Bikes are up there. Oh, look it! It's like,
I found Jasper.
let me see. Wait, that's not Jasper.
Yeah, it is.
Look. You're right. Are we bringing that home?
Yeah, throw it in the bag. Wait. Here. Don't put it in the pocket. Put it. All right, we just found some Jasper. So we keep going now. Is that more?
Is that more Jasper?
No, it's only. Okay. No more looking for rocks. Okay. We're fishing.
Look it, there's like a ladder right there.
Whoa! On the mushrooms.
It's kind of like a platform for like birds
Yeah.
or squirrels.
Probably poisonous. You know? Squirrels love that. I'm gonna take the pass. Ready? Nothing? Oh, I'm getting chased.
Oh, is it a baby bass? No.
Oh my, he was chasing that thing. Look at there. Small little creek chub.
Here, I'm gonna take a cast.
Alright.
Let's see.
How about some more? See him take a cast? See if he can get something? He's using basically the same thing as me.
It is the same lure, but I ripped the green part off all the way. I casted white.
Hey, give me my rod.
That's a pink water bottle.
Give me my rod. Take your rod. Guys, I think there's fish right here. I just had a bass attack his.
That's a pink water balloon.
No, it's just a.
Those magnetic ones. Yep.
Is that a bass?
No.
No, it's a fat creek chub. What are these guys doing? I had a bass chasing it. Hey, pay attention. Yeah! Come on. It's so sad. Oh, shoot. It's a freaking deer. There's a deer right there. Record. There's a deer back there in the woods.
Hey, Weston, can I cast now?
Yeah. There's a deer back there somewhere. I just heard it. I thought it was a person.
And I saw the movement.
See if you get something. Oh. Yo, that's a bass. Grayson, get back in there. Get back in there. That's a bass. You got it. You got it. Let's go, Grayson. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Get on the rocks. Get on the rocks. Hey. Let's go.
Stop flopping.
So this.
You need to calm down.
Let's go, Grayson.
Hold my pole. It's in the water.
Oh shoot.
There.
Okay.
First ever creek bass.
Let's give him a release. Right here. There he goes. Woo!
That was a nice one.
Gonna keep moving down?
Oh no.
Till we get to this large ball. Oh, ready?
Stuck in the tree, eh?
Hey, I'm gonna cast for these creek chubs right here. Ready? Wait, you don't cast. You're recording me, boy. Oh, they're suckers. Never mind.
Oh, hit a big rock.
You can pause it first. Did you pause it?
No,
You want to stop recording?
it stopped recording. There.
No, we gotta keep going down. Not even up here.
Okay. Well, I just made a perfect setup. Hi, Docky's way over there. I can't believe we just saw that deer running. I got that on video too. Yeah. Yeah. He may have scared all the fish away, but it was worth seeing. There's the owl. Yo, that's crazy. Wait. Yo, that owl is up there. Woo! 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 Ew,
Made it back to the bikes. We're gonna head to the next spot.
We're sink sand.
Yeah, my feet are all muddy.
So am I.
When we get to the next spot. All right, we made it to the next spot. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so shallow. It's usually up to here where I'm standing. Grayson, hold on. Okay. And there's some golf balls. Lots of them.
Yo.
Random tackle box. Everywhere. So hopefully something will bite. We still have a lot more places to go. We might go on the golf course.
I already had something.
I'll probably get something for the cats. Probably not.
I already got a package. Yo! Yo! When were their back?
Oh shoot! Smallmouth! Oh my gosh!
Yo! We both got a bass already.
Shoot! 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 All right. A nice little smallmouth. I knew this spot was okay. He got a sunny. Let's see it.
It's a pumpkin seed too.
Let's get this guy back.
Look at my pumpkin seed.
There it goes. He sat right there.
Here's my pumpkin.
All right. Good spot right here. Oh my god, this is where we usually swim. And I got a bass first cast. Apparently there's not fish, so I'm gonna cast down. I'm gonna cast like way down there. Oh yeah, amazing. I have a big one on. Oh shoot, I have a big one on. We got him, we got him. I knew there was gonna be a fish over there. Oh, it's a freaking creek chub. Oh. Yep, he's gone. I gotta cast back down there, you know? Alright, we made it back. Let's see what we got to use. This is my creek tackle box and some other random crap. I think might use treble hook. Ow, freaking treble hooks in my hand. Ah! That's awesome. You know? It's in my hand. Alright, hold on. Alright. Got mini crankbait. Set my phone up somewhere. Grayson is in my spot. My phone goes, so I'm not gonna go there. Huh? Ah, shoot, that's so muddy. Alright, this spot ain't really working, so we're gonna move spots. We're probably just gonna down upriver. Probably not gonna go over here. I already tried over here. There wasn't anything. But beautiful spot, one bass right here. The only fish right here. So we're gonna.
Watch this.
Oh. Alright, just got done with a spot. It wasn't that good. There was one big bass, but it was not biting at all. It wasn't biting anything, so we're moving to a different spot. Like Yep. Is that spot good? We might try this spot right here. Might just have to stand up here though. Oh yeah. I already see fish. Oh, and there's a deer right there.
Where's it called?
It's a baby deer.
Nah.
Nope. Grayson, hold the phone. Record me. I see a fish. I see fish that'll bite.
There's a bass. There's a baby bass.
I know, there's one right here.
You got it.
There's a bunch of bass.
I want to try. Here. Can I try?
Wait, hold up. There's a.
Weston.
What is that sound? Oh
That's-
no. No, where's the bass?
Weston. I want to try. I'm going to try.
Where's the phone?
Right there.
Is the phone recording?
Yeah. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna set the phone.
Wait, there's a bunch of fish in our room.
What's up, bass?
You still recording?
Look at that sucker. Yeah, I am.
John, I got a bass. Are you recording? You recording? Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Oh yeah, let me get it up here. Come back up here real quick.
I can't. Here, take the phone.
Alright. My brother just gave me the phone. Look at that. Nice little smallmouth. I casted way down the river. I'm gonna give him a nice little toss. There he goes. Guys, we just moved spots. And this bass is, I just caught a bass on this little swirly tail. They are biting today. You know? There we go. Alright. There we go. Here. I just found a spot loaded with bass. There's like 6 bass right there. There's another big one. Oh my, I have to set up my phone somewhere. This is insane. Listen, I saw like 6 bass.
Baby bass.
Nice little smallie. Guys, we just walked down the river a little. I did. Grayson's going to check on the bikes. But this spot looks really good. So, I'll be back when I catch fish. Alright guys, we made it to the next spot. Just caught a nice little rock bass. I'm going to get him out real quick because I'm in the water. Next spot. And look what he just pulled out of the water.
PB, stream bass.
Get him. Get him. He actually ate it. Look at that. Let's go bring him, get him a good release over here. On here.
Yo, look at him go.
That is a nice one. There is a bigger one down there, but that one's still nice. Look at that. Just look at that. Yo!
Give him good luck's kiss. Bye-bye. Oh.
We're actually going to be moving spots out of this place because we just scared all the fish. But I had to tie in the lure first because I snapped off.
I'm also gonna keep that, maybe.
Alright, we're going to tie on another jig head. Alright. Let's go to the golf course. And mineral springs. Okay, so right here we got the bridge on the golf course. Apparently he just had a bass. Oh, there's a bass right down there. Yep. So we're gonna set up my phone right here, right on this thing. Ooh. Got one. I think it's a giant creek chub. Oh my gosh. It's a giant. Oh yeah. Shoot, my phone almost just fell in the water. At least off the bridge. You there? Whoop! Alright, let's go back. So we're just gonna move out of here, try to go. Can't really go on the golf course.
Ow.
Good?
I need my socks. Look
Look at this. It's a grasshopper. Poke it with your.
Look it.
That's bad. Oh, it's gone. Then go put on your socks. Well, he's trying to put on the socks. I'm gonna try. I don't even know. I don't think I could try anyway. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna try right here real quick. I'll be back. Alright, nice little chub. Now we're just gonna move spots. Is there still deer, Grayson? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. There's deer way over there. Shut up, Grayson. We're on a golf course. We're gonna move spots. Alright, next spot, there's a clubhouse right there. This is the spot right here. Oh. It's nice and deep. I already saw a fish. Let me see it.
Largemouth.
Yo, it is a largemouth. Creek largemouth.
Largemouth bass.
Can you get a picture? You want to get a picture? Get a release. Oh! Didn't know like the last catch of the day, but I don't know. Guys, that's it for a day. It's gonna start pouring really here soon, so we gotta get home. And it's gonna thunderstorm.
In like 2 minutes.
I'm gonna check my radar real quick.
It said like 2 minutes.
Only a severe storm risk and chances of hail. So we gotta get out of here. we're only at the golf course and we live all the way across town. You know, severe thunderstorm risk. We gotta get home. If it starts pouring, I'll start recording again. But it's the end of the video. Watching. Bye.